See? This is why I always have my money. We're fucking with some hood bitches. There's some ratchets out here. I ain't gonna lie. I've had my experience with some ratchets. We have all. So, don't act like you the first motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But this right here. Let me rewind it back a little bit. Just scale this ass shit right here. I want to go back. This is what happens. This is what happens. Look at this bitch right here. God damn, dog. God damn. That's fucked up, B. All day. That's fucked up all day, B.